Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm making a super duper quick video showing you guys how I get my eyeliner super thin. I've been getting a lot of compliments on it lately and a few girls want to know how I do it. So hopefully this video helps you guys out, but truthfully, a wing liner takes practice. So you just need to, you know, watch this video, rewatch the video, and practice again. So I hope you guys like it, and let's get right into it. Okay, so once you have, you know, your base down, foundation and eyebrows, you're gonna take your eyeliner. I like to use the L'Oreal Linear Intense, and mine's kind of like old. You can't even see the label on it anymore. But yeah, so open your product. You may have a lot of, you know, product on your brush, but you're gonna try to wipe a lot of it off to make a thin brush and then start to apply. Go from the inner corner. And just trace that line of your eye. Disregard that little dot. Let me see if I can. Get rid of that. Oh, I can fix that up later. And then you're gonna repeat the same thing. Dip back into your little tube jar. Wipe the excess. Go from the inner corner of your eye, and you're gonna do like a flicking out motion. And I usually take my nail and drag that excess out. It's really hard to do in the camera. Let me come back and clean up this line under here. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Hopefully you can't see, it's like a little powdery, but yeah. Cleaned it up, also the little dot up there. And so you're just going to now make the connect from the first line you made and the wing line. Make sure you're behind your lash and connect. And there you go. You know, it takes practice. It's really like the pressure that you put behind your brush. It's a true brush stroke. But that's how I make my super thin cat eye, and you know, just keep watching this video, practice on yourself, and you'll be able to have it thin as well. Just make sure your eyebrow line and your cat eye never connect, because you know that's not a good look. But yeah, I hope this helped. There you go. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys learned some new techniques, certain things that you probably weren't doing before. And until next time, that's it. Make sure to like the video. I don't normally say that, but go ahead and like the video, share the video, subscribe to me. talk to you guys later.